Hi felicities, this is Jen Victor, and you're tuned in, to the channel with no name. Sorry, my hair is wet. I literally just showered, and I'm a little off-center because in this portion I will be revealing, or not revealing a bag, but doing a bag review. Oh god, and my allergies, I think my ear is clogged. Whatever. Y'all know, I'm kind of going back a little bit to my, non-edited videos, but today I am reviewing this beautiful Vintage Hermes Kelly in the size 32 return, and this is in the blue marine with the, I think what Baba Bevy had written was like brass hardware, and this didn't come with the strap, but I had a strap from my other bag from Amazon, and so I do use that out of convenience. But this beauty I picked up from an eBay seller for $1,700 and then $25 for shipping. I got it authenticated by Baba Bevy for $90, and then I got a little work done on it by leather surgeons just to give it new light, because if you can't tell, so for a bag that's over 50 plus years old, like 62 years old, this was re-dyed, so there are, like, you know, I guess it had a lot of wear, but with the dye, it looks really great. There is a little bit of cracking on the top, but it's like, instead of cracking, if it hadn't been re-dyed, it would be creased. And so really quick, this is one of those older models where you see it just says Hermes Paris, and then on the, I think they call this the Sangle. There are like a lot of information on Birkins and Kellys, so you can just look it up, but right here you can see the Hermes Paris, oh gosh, let me see, is the Hermes is on one line and then the Paris is on the bottom. So this is one of those older models. Look up the history, there's a lot. What I want to talk about is just the overall, like, I've actually used this bag like pretty much as an everyday throwaway bag. My friend laughs since I'm like, oh yeah, this is my throwaway bag, and everybody knows like this is an Hermes Kelly, but I like to use my bags, and so I have abused this bag, I'm not even gonna lie. I really love the classic look of it, and it has definitely really maintained its shape. Yeah, like, let me just show you even like the back, like, so that's, you know, it's been re-dyed, so it's not a perfect blue marine. That's the side, and my cousin always forces it this way, and my hair is a little wet, so the bag's getting a little wet. So that's the side, and then this is, it's literally stuff since I just used it the other day. It did have, I didn't realize it until like after I did the video, that it had like, I guess like an odor, but it's really only when you stick your head. When you stick your head in the bag. Like, I really feel like, especially for a vintage bag, it's not that bad for a 60-something-year-old bag. But overall, it's really maintained, like, it's maintained really good shape. Oh, and that's my hair, yeah, that'll dry off. Oh, see, this is the struggle. Sorry. So there's gonna be like some watermarks right now. But this beautiful bag is a size 32 return, and so you can fit quite a lot, and I do. And actually, one of my favorite ways to wear it outside of it being open like this, which I know some people are like, your bag's open. I do love it worn like this. This is actually one of my favorite ways when it's closed up. It's just because it makes it really easy to get to, and it just is so much more functional than the Birkin, especially after playing with this like Birkin that I have that's up for sale. This one just, it makes more sense, and then all you have to do is turn the lock and then flop it open, and then you can get in. And what's cool is this is another way that people might have it closed. So it's not where you lock it, and I actually never use the key and the clochette. It's like sword, but I love this look, and just look at how amazing it looks. Like, it looks so elegant and classy, and then even on the shoulder. And I have worn this crossbody, like I was trying it out the other day to crossbody it, adjusting the length, and it works. But this looks the best top-handled, without a doubt. So just look at that. So what can I say about this bag? I would definitely recommend it. It can fit a lot. I put so much shiz in it, and I'm actually gonna just show y'all what I fit in it. And I never organize it. Like right now, it's not organized also because I just kind of just came from the gym and I chucked stuff in it. So I have my big portable charger. I think this is like 40,000? No. 26,800 Mega MAH, whatever it's called. And this is my long cord, so that regardless of where this power bank is, I have this long, super long cord. So I have my Epi Louis Vuitton Pre-Loved key case, and this has my little car fob and the little clicker thingy. I have, I'll hold it like this. I have my phone. It is, let me check if I have any messages. Nobody's messaging me because I'm not popular. My Samsung Android 7 Edge, and it has this Spigen case, which if you have not gotten Spigen for your phone, get it. I dropped this a shit ton of times, and I think I only recently finally started to see a crack, and it's probably because I don't take care of my phone and I chuck stuff on top of it, but I dropped like it at least 100 plus times and there wasn't a crack because of that. This is my Prada wallet. There is a story with this. This isn't the one that I got from eBay. I had to repurchase this recently, and that video may or may not be coming up in this April, but I keep a long wallet. Okay. Oh no. Okay, I have my Saint Laurent card holder. This one is a gift from my cousin Kankore, and I really like this one. No name Bluetooth headphones, earphones from Amazon that I got. It was like 18 bucks. Ooh, I have like wads of cash. Ooh, and I have my, I have my Saint and Sinner Roman shackle. So let me put that. I was actually supposed to put all this jewelry. I have my Ganesh elephant ring. You know, just channeling the heavens into my body, into my hands. And then where's my friend's ring? I have one more ring. I have like, there's probably another ring here, but this one's a gift from my friend Anne, and she got me this for my birthday. There are receipts and ooh, my key to be seen sunglasses in the little key pouch, or sorry, key, like get a key, Q-A-Y, key sunglasses pouch. My little glasses cleaner. Oh gosh, it's a mess. And then there's more cash. And then some cards. It should be on the key case, but oh, more cash. Let me just take it out. I don't know where my lip balm and my Listerine strips are. That's strange. So it is now empty. This is it, like pretty wide. I do sometimes stuff the shiz out of this. I put water bottles in here. Okay, well, yes, I know it's like $1,700 and it's older. I just kind of enjoy and like use this bag, and I chuck it around everywhere. I do, like I said, you can wear it like this. Oh, I'm in my like booty shorts. See? So this is actually, I wore it like this the other day and I wasn't mad because it just makes everything easily accessible. While I'm not the biggest fan of crossbody, I do love adjustable straps when you're gonna submit to that whole crossbody aesthetic. This bag can be worn really dressy or casual. I've done it multiple ways, and I really think it's just how you lock and close it. The box smooth leather, whatever it's called, I think is my favorite. Even though it's been re-dyed, it has held up in terms of its shape, like, and I love the retorn. I think the retorn just, it's not as harsh as like the boxiness of the Cellier. And then I do like the copper. It somehow ended up matching with the, you know, close enough to the, or brass, whatever, that I got from Amazon, but this replaceable shoulder strap. You can shove a lot of stuff in here, and it's not actually, I don't think it gets too heavy as like the Birkin has. And yeah, I think that this is a really good bag. I just love that it is vintage and it has like shown, like, you know, yes, it has wear, but it has a lot of character, and I think whoever used it and then even re-dyed it, like, I'm glad they did, because it gave it a new lease on life and it allows me to enjoy it. And for a while I was thinking of selling this to get like a newer model, but I think I'm gonna stick to this Hermes Kelly style. And I just love, like, even look at it like that. And then let me actually just show you one of my other favorite ways to wear it, but it is a lot more clothes, is like when you put the sangles under, and then it does tug a little, but it's not too bad. See, there's a little bit of tugging, and so that's why I do have a tendency to just wear it like this. Oh yeah, and I didn't mention that there is, you know, like pocket here, zipper pocket here, and no back pockets. But yeah, overall, would I buy this retail? Probably not retail, buy it pre-loved. I would probably stick to the return. I kind of want to get a size 35. I want a bigger one, but I wouldn't mind a smaller one because, you know, I have my Louis Vuitton Alma BB, my Lady Dior medium, the one that's in my personal collection, and then the Bulgari. So those are tinier bags, and even my Henry Bendel convertible flap. So you know, like kind of like an even tinier one. So they like tiny bags tend to be like, oh, you can use this as a clutch or blah blah blah. But yeah, so this is one of my favorite bags at the moment. Really love it and enjoying it, and I can't wait to use it some more. If you have any questions or thoughts about it, let me know. Check out my YouTube. My Instagram Fierce Renegade to see how I've worn it. Most of the times I do wear it top handle, but I have been trying to use this shoulder strap more. I have like two adjustable removable shoulder strap that I bought on Amazon, and I think they're like $9 and they've been really useful. But yes, check it out, get this bag. I'll link the unboxing of the video below because everybody knows I'm like super excited because it was just a piece that I didn't think I would ever get, especially at such a great deal. And oh yeah, and really quick, and then I wanted to just show you some of the wear about the cracking because of because it's been re-dyed. So there's cracking, a little bit of cracking there, but really it's in stellar condition, so I'm gonna keep on using it. Thanks for tuning into my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully in the future I'll get another Kelly. I'll keep y'all posted about the other bags that are currently in my possession. If I'm gonna do a video on them, it'll go up. If not, I'll try to get some content. But yeah, if you have any questions, just comment down below, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, felicities.